This is a 1.8 million kilocalorie thermal oil boiler, precision manufactured by EPCB. Today, it will be shipped to Pakistan to provide local factories with high temperature, stable, and energy-efficient thermal energy solutions. EPCB uses high-quality boiler-specific steel and fully automated welding processes to ensure the boiler's structural stability, high-temperature resistance, and fatigue resistance. To adapt to the fuel characteristics of the Pakistani market, this boiler is equipped with a highly reliable reciprocating grate system, combined with refractory bricks and arching materials provided by EPCB, resulting in better furnace insulation, more complete combustion, and a longer service life. High-efficiency fan ensures sufficient and precise air supply and exhaust, keeping combustion at its optimal level. The wet scrubber features high dust removal rate and low emissions, ensuring emissions meet local environmental protection requirements. Corrosion-resistant and easy to install, ensuring smoother and safer flue gas emissions. All instrument valves utilize industry-leading components, ensuring precision, safety, and durability, guaranteeing that every parameter during system operation remains within controllable limits. Every EPCB boiler undergoes rigorous testing and quality inspection before being shipped globally, ensuring customers receive stable, energy-efficient and durable high-quality products. EPCB, manufacturing high-quality boilers, with expertise, winning global trust with service.